I made these DIY sauces so stupidly easy that even Patrick Star can put them together.
Just what I'd expect you to say. Dumb people are always blissfully unaware of how dumb they really are.
Make sure that you are subscribed to see this awesome project that I am in the middle of. I ran into a space problem right in the middle of a project. With a lack of time and material, I needed to make something extremely quick on the fly. Let's talk about the sponsor of today's video. Alpha Graphics is a digital marketing firm specializing in social media marketing, graphic design, and website design. This company specializes in making your business look good, perform good, and looking at its optimal best. In today's world, referrals are extremely important. You need to know if a company is actually doing the work. Can they do what they say they will deliver? And with Alpha Graphics, they've got referrals everywhere, people. They've got from Cape Town up to Jozi, KZN, it doesn't matter. They can take your business and pinpoint your target market to anywhere that your heart desires. Look no further than Alpha Graphics. Go to their website, go to contact us, and go and fill in the form and click select. Someone will contact you immediately and get you on the right track for your business to grow to be a huge success. Alpha Graphics, your vision brought to life.